going? I got a few things to do today. I'm gonna head over, right now I'm heading over to my friend Josh's house. He's a really good drifter. Him and his brother both have 240s, S13 Verts. So I'm heading over there right now. I'm gonna pick him up and then we're gonna head to my buddy Brandon's house and we're gonna try to do, Brandon just now finished, he has a Turbo RSX, so he wants to try to start it for the first time and tune in and do a test drive. And also I'm about to pick up the Hydra Nemesis ECU for my car and we want to try to install it and tune it on my car. So, and Josh has the laptop and I think he has a voltmeter from Brandon also. So right now I'm driving over there. I'm gonna head over there and yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention he has a Subaru also. That's his brother's Jake's S13. Here is Josh. Alright, so let me hop out and show you the cars. So, I'm gonna show all the cars. Oh, here's his brother Jake. Bro. What up? Okay, so that's Jake's 240 right here. Like basically everything's stock on it. I mean, it's super clean and everything for an all stock Vert. See the interior. Shit's dope. He has it signed by like, isn't this like everyone from like Hoonigan and shit like that?
Hoonigan, Big Boost, Taylor Ray, Caleb Quanbeck, Ken Gucci, people from FD.
Hell yeah. Dope. See, you see Hertz signature right there. Oh yeah, he has a shirt stuck in cup holder also. Dope. Oh, I forgot you did the transmission swap. Dope. Yeah, it was automatic and they just swapped it. That's dope. I forgot about that. Lit. This is Josh's, basically his like daily, basically.
The anti-mobile.
Yeah.
Gotta show them the goods.
Oh yeah.
Stuff that's probably gonna get blocked out on YouTube.
Dope. Y'all see that right there?
But pretty much stock.
Yeah, it's quick though.
Has a blow-off valve and a Sig Nasty tube.
Yeah. That shift knob, is that the same one that was on my Miata?
Yep.
Yeah, my first gen Miata, I had that shift knob on mine. And then in here, it's drift car, which he's always working on. Wait, when was the last event you went to?
That was November 3rd at Myrtle Beach.
Okay. Dude, I love the pink.
I know, right?
Dude, because I'm thinking about if I get, well, I'm getting a roll bar for my car, but I was thinking about getting either a front or rear bash bar, and I'm painting it that color.
It looks especially nice too whenever you see the white stab blue like mixed with it.
Yeah,
Like,
it's super clean. So just explain your car quickly.
So it's just a regular SR Swap 240. Only thing done to it is like cams, turbo, tune, injectors, wise fab for angle, half cage, slowly trying to get a little bit more professional.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's been like in the making for about 7 years now.
I was about to say, he's had this car for a while. Cause you had it, didn't you get it in Florida? Or
my old chassis was my first car.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot. I keep forgetting this is a different one.
But then I sent
It's so weird because like you just like transformed it as soon as you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is your second one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same motor.
Yeah.
It should be together by like the end of February. And then I'll be taking it out to Myrtle Beach or Richmond, Virginia.
Yeah, dude. I'm trying to start working on my car. I was literally getting ready to order the turbo kit. For my car, but I didn't, and I just spent like $5,000 on new camera stuff instead, so I have better quality stuff, and then I'll make the money back, obviously, easily, but...
Didn't you get like a gimbal or a, what do you call the thing?
Yeah, so I got a DJI Ronin S gimbal, and then an A7R3, what else did I get? And a Sigma 35 1.4 lens. So I'm making hella car videos and everything on my other channel also. So yeah. So I'm debating if what I wanna order next from my car, because what I was gonna order also besides the turbo kit was gonna be like my angle kit, and then like the what's it called, like the rear camber kit or whatever. Like I want to like
Rear upper control arm?
Yeah, rear upper control arms and stuff like that, so I can have like as close to zero camber in the rear. Then the spacers, I'm gonna have to run 1-inch spacers anyway, which I have to roll my fenders also on my car before I do that though. But
we got a couple baseball bats. We can make it work.
Fuck. No, I'm not trying to do any jank shit. I mean, I don't know, man. But yeah, for the angle kit, I'm gonna have to have the 1-inch spacer anyway, so that because it's so much angle, and then it comes with like the extended like braided brake lines for it to be longer, because it's
without those spacers, your wheels will be smacking shit on the inside.
Literally. So
gotta extend it.
Yeah.
Hey yo man, we bringing back the real knowledge, the real power in hip-hop. We are the streets, the movement, hot street, single smash.
We were 16, this means robbing was an option. Money was the problem, scrapping copper for some profit. Breaking in for some gin, hope your mom don't got a problem. Throw the bottle over the fence, and I hope nobody saw us. We were gone, we were dead, resurrect and go to bed. Just some dirty white boys with some drugs up in our hands. Never slanging dope, no, cause we...
Okay, so here, let me check my trunk for that. So I have a Mori oil filter relocation, and I thought it was for my car because they're like super rare. Let me try to open my trunk there. They're like super rare, and it didn't fit mine. I'm pretty sure it's for an SR, so I'm gonna hand it off to Josh, and he's gonna try to like test if it'll fit, because he has a Greddy, like, what is it? The
oil cooler sandwich plate.
Yeah, so he doesn't know if it'll fit. It's just the two pieces screwed together, but
That thing looks funky.
yeah, the red part, the top part, is where the actual filter goes, and then this goes where the original filter screws in. So
blue goes on the block. Like unscrews, or
yeah, there you go.
there we go.
And don't lose, there's like a little gasket thingy in there. Yeah, don't lose that in case it falls out, but just so you know it's supposed to be there.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, so the actual filter goes on that, and that screws into where...
It even has a bracket.
Yeah, so you can just bolt it wherever you want it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you all the Greddy plate he has. It's right there.
The only thing is, like, the other half of the Greddy plate is well, it's not blocked off like this. It's just kind of out there and open because it connects to the block.
Oh, yeah.
So I don't think I can use it. Maybe this will work.
Yeah, because let's see. Yeah, so that blue plate literally is supposed to screw into right there. So it looks like, looks like it might work.
What the heck?
It works, and it matches with like all the other blue stuff.
Okay, that actually might be pretty cool.
Oh, I already have some cut hose. I think it's in my trunk, so I'll go grab that, and then yeah, you can literally just mount. Yo, that's dope.
Okay.
That's dope.
That's actually pretty nice.
Okay, so I'm gonna go grab the hose. I think it's in my trunk.
Totally sure if I'm gonna use it just yet.
Okay. Yeah, see, I have the hose and the fittings there.
Yeah, I'll try to figure it out. Like maybe figure out a mounting location.
Okay.
Makes it easier.
Yeah, that's dope. It's up to you if you want to use it, obviously, or not, because it's not like I'm using it.
I have to change my filter like once a month or like after every event anyway.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to not have to drip all over the subframe.
Yeah.
You already hooked it up? Or I just hope they withstand like 100 psi of oil pressure.
Let's hope so.
Or else we're gonna have like hoses popping off.
I'm about to say, if you want, you can just order, state like the braided lines also.
Yeah. I also gotta figure out a place to put this. Like, oh, that's like right above the steering column. Okay, that would be dope.
Right there is actually dope. Yeah.
That way I could just like have a nice empty spot to get the
And then
filter.
it just drips and it doesn't touch anything. And then screw it on.
Because before it literally dripped like all over everything right here.
I hate that.
It is actually really nice.
Yeah.
I have to play around with that later.
Dope. All right, let's get ready to head to Brandon's house. All right, before I'm waiting for Josh to come back outside before we head to Brandon's house, but let's look at Jake's 240. It's like super clean ever since you pulled out the motor and everything. So you washed out the bay and all that. It's like super clean. SR swap. SR swap.
KAT swap.
KAT swap. Yeah, man, like I don't even bother popping my hood anymore because no point. Like,
To show off how clean it is.
it's not clean though. Everyone says it's clean.
I like how I can close the front as soon as I need a funnel. Yeah. I like it. We got that modified ranch cap for his coolant reservoir. Maybe it's a barbecue sauce cap. One of those two.
So this is not. I noticed you had a pink one too. That's not stock? Is that stock? That's dope. I never knew it came pink like that. I noticed it was the same on your car. That's why I asked.
That's not stock. Is it used to have a heat shield?
Yeah.
We just replaced that with the heat wrap.
Yeah.
Other than that, everything is original.
Yeah, it's super clean, man.
That and it's not
So Josh is going to grab some, I think he said like some Thai tea or something like that I haven't tried before, and he's grabbing us too so I can try, because he's never seen this before. He asked me about it when he got in the car. If y'all don't know what this is, it's a product of Japan. It's just like, it's UCC coffee. They also make other stuff like sodas and stuff, but their coffee, I mean, it's nothing amazing about it. It just tastes like regular coffee, honestly. So what you got, bro? This? Oh, snap. Yeah, it says Thai tea drink. I have never seen this before.
It's pretty nice.
Where'd you get it from?
Asian market.
Did you get it from Sunset?
I don't know the name, but it's
Near
on
what?
Yadkin and
Yeah, that's it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine like
Dope.
sweet tea mixed with milk.
Dope. I know it has to be good then. Dope. Good thing about having an NB Miata is you have cup holders.
I was wondering about it. I was like, you only have one. Forgot about that.
Yeah, it's because the only reason I have that is honestly because using this one is like not all that fun because your shifter's right here. in the Miata, so it's right here. It's not, I don't know. So we got the laptop and everything. We're heading to Brandon's house right now.
Shit, boy, look at that Subaru. That's whatever.
And that's the first time I've hit that shit. No, second time I've hit that shit dry. So,
Hopefully I got it.
I don't give a fuck.
I kind of have no idea what I'm pointing at when I'm like this.
Pulling up to Monk's Garage, Brandon's house. We call it Monk Garage. That's his turbo R6. Ugh. What this fool doing? What you got left on it?
Plus, I got no gas in it.
Dope.
Had a bull week, so.
All race car shit here.
My power brick is like so close to that little boy.
I wish I didn't, I got things I wish I did, what? Feeling something like Jermaine Dupri, jagged edge, I'm with a twisted tee. White and cold, I'm like Mr. Freeze, but I'm looking something like Keanu Reeves. I switch the blade and she pop a bean, hard start and she drop to knees. She smell the smoke and she know it's sex. She see my eyes and she know it's me, like damn.
Yeah, so right now Brandon's finishing up, like tying down some stuff, and then we have to go get gas for his RSX and see if it starts, hopefully, because he said he tried to start it and it it started leaking oil and stuff, so he fixed that, and now he tried to restart it and it didn't start, so he's just hoping it's out of gas. So right now we're getting the laptop straight. You're gonna download the software for the ECU whenever we get a chance to start on it on my car. Only thing I don't really like is my ECU is on my driver's side. So like we just ended up pouring that whatever gas that was in my car. I was like don't waste it or whatever. So got that free gas. He's gonna get like, it has to be 93 probably. He's gonna run in here. What are you looking for?
What the fuck?
What are you looking for?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Stop filming me, dog.
This dude's done.
Bro, your fault.
Slips on oil like you almost just did. Alright, so me and Brandon are gonna go ahead and get get this gas, and he's taking a look at the ECU for my car. We pulled up, downloaded the software for it. Alright, so we'll be back, bro.
Bye.
We come back and you're deceased, bro. We don't know what the fuck happened.
I'll survive off the dog turds in the backyard.
Alright. Alright. Oh, fuck. Okay. So, we're back from the gas station. He's gonna try to put the gas, or he is going to put the gas in the RXX and try to start it.
I want to play this music so it's copyrighted and you can't use it.
Chill out. Warning, danger to manifold.
We didn't listen to the same song.
Yeah. Dope. Like that wheel?
Dude, I need me one.
Yeah, I love that wheel, man.
Had an eBay wheel for like 7 years now.
Yeah. That gold one? Yeah, I took a video of that.
It's coming apart on me too. The stitch is just falling apart.
Yeah.
You guys want to get sad?
No.
Let's cut ourselves if the car don't work.
Yeah, that would be fucking depressing.
One for the gram, 2 for a million, 3 for the devil.
Fuck you suck my dick, little prick. Chop me up the zero, tight net, boy, chills, boy. Go real dope, boy, no limits in my city. Body, born dead, drug fiends, can't agree to fake dead. It might be strapped, savage, simmy, ayy. Cutthroat committed, ayy. Give it to him raw, young soldier, son from the dark side. Gray stripes, ayy. Turn him to a second line, ayy. Hurts, boy, burn your body in a
So he's about to start it. When he starts it, do you want to check under there, make sure it's not leaking or anything? Yeah, while he starts it. And hopefully his AFRs are straight.
It's probably gonna go in fucking like limp mode.
So will it be like just directly under the motor?
It'll be that right side I was working on, like right there. I'm about to push it back into the driveway.
Okay.
So I don't fucking gas this out.
Yeah. Did you fix it going into reverse?
Yeah. You can use the bash bar up there. Probably be a little easier.
Where the fuck is it? It's so low.
She's free. It's gonna suck if it doesn't start because I don't want to push it back.
Yeah.
We got 2 people.
Yeah. Dude, this shit looks crazy.
I'm at full with that thing. You got the razor blade on hand?
Huh?
You got the razor blade on deck? Just in case it don't work?
You never know if you go in a bad part of town. Probably move that before it slits my throat. Yeah, it probably was out of gas because I thought my gauge wasn't working because I just put a new fuel pump in.
Yeah.
So.
You're out of
Dope.
gear, right?
Huh?
You're out of gear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I got like my head right underneath the wheel.
I don't know what's up.
Oh no. See anything leaking?
A steady drip, like right in front of the oil pan.
Yeah.
It drop like every few seconds.
Might be because the oil back there still.
That's kind of weird though how it started before, but now it doesn't. Attempt number 2. I felt like it was getting ready to start.
It like fired for a split second.
Yeah, it sounded like it was getting ready to. I don't know what the hell that was. I don't know what the fuck that shit could be, dude. Damn, that shit was loud as hell. That's crazy.
I smell fuel.
Yeah, dude, his paint's nice.
It's not even a flake. It's like a.
No, they're flakes.
The sparkle kind of flakes. You get like a arts and crafts thing. Which I like it. I like it because it's huge. I don't want to do something like that with my car.
Right now, I'm waiting for Brandon to back out his Miata. He's gonna run up to the store and get new spark plugs. He thinks that's why the RSX isn't starting. So while he does that, go back into the driveway, and me and Josh are gonna start on the ECU. Hopefully, we can get it in. I don't know. What's up, bro?
Pretty cold.
You think we're gonna be able to do this ECU?
Not immediately.
I don't know.
I thought it was just going to be plug and play, but we're going to have to find several wires throughout the harness to splice into and possibly delete a couple sensors.
Well, do we have to get anything from the store? If we do, we can just tell him while he's going.
This is going to be like a day or two project.
Oh, hell no. If it turns out to that, I'm not doing that right now.
Yeah, like I would not recommend trying to do it right here, right now.
Okay, well, today sucks. So we're going through like the manual of how to install the ECU, and then like we realize we don't even have everything for the ECU. So we're missing like 2 or 3 things for it. What happened? Fuck. I don't know why it's not starting. That shit's weird.
Codes popping off.
Alright, so we just ended up pushing Brandon's RSX back into the garage. We couldn't get it started. We don't know why yet. We just played around with my car. We plugged up the ECU to it and plugged it up to the laptop just to see what it was reading, if it would start. It just cranked over and over, basically the same thing Brandon's car was doing. So yeah, that sucks, but that's it for this video. So I don't know if you can see this dude.
Maybe.
Yeah, alright.